The Great British Bake Off has made many stars out of amateur bakers. One of those lucky ones to emerge into the spotlight is Hermine, who is now returning to the famous tent for special festive edition of the Channel 4 show. 1. Hermine is an accountant from London and a contestant on the Great British Bake Off 2020 credit, Mark Bourdillon/Love Productions. Who is Bake Off's Hermine? Hermine is an accountant from London. She was born and raised in Benin, West Africa, and Hermine moved to the capital in 2001 to pursue further education. Her first experiences of baking were as a child, when she loved helping her mum bake for big family gatherings. But she has been baking on her own since the age of 8. Hermine loves to bake high-end patisserie, inspired by the French influence in Benin. How old is she? The mum of one is 40 years old. You can check out her lovely bakes on Instagram at Bake Along with Hermine. She posts pics of her bakes as well as videos of her son Stephen giving her a helping hand. When was Hermine on Bake Off? Hermine did well on the show and made it to the semi-final before the judges voted her off. Her time was up on November 17, 2020. Hermine had been favorite to win the show after winning Star Baker 2 times in a row. The bubbly baker had also won a legion of fans, who were angry to see her leave so near to the end of the competition. Speaking after host Noel Fielding revealed she was the next baker to go, Hermine said, "It should have been my finest hour on Patisserie Week as that is my forte, but it was not to be. It was heartbreaking to leave at the semi-final. For me it wasn't about winning or getting Star Baker, I was more thrilled about getting positive comments from the judges. These are the things that made my experience in the tent magical. I bake from the heart and I want people to enjoy my food rather than taking the accolades. But it's been a pleasure. I believe everything has a reason and it was the right time for me to go." When is the Great Festive Bake Off special on Channel 4? The New Year episode is set to air on Channel 4 at some point during the New Year period. A time and date is yet to be confirmed, so stay posted for further updates. Once the show has aired, it will be available on all 4